gray. Now we're ready to place our roses. A little bit of water there. I still have to outline these with the black. I'm going to place this one a little bit more forward so that I can get one of these in there, the smaller ones. And what I can do is just gently press it back so that fits right in there. One right down here. And we'll put one over here. Okay, I'm going to change my mind on adding that other one. I'm going to take this one and I'm actually going to place it up here. I'll tap those down in a second, and I'm just going to continue to paint these roses. You could, after, if it's for somebody's birthday, you could say, you know, it says rock on here, and then you could put the paint with the black paint, the person's name in here. Another suggestion, if you have a candy mold that is a guitar, you could put black chocolate in it and actually have the guitar behind the roses sticking up, which would be really cool. I kind of wish I would have brought one, but I didn't think of it until now. So you can do it and then you can send me a picture. Okay? And there it is, so rock on!